How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today I will be showing you another Nasdaq strategy. Very simple strategy, actually. A lot of guys asked me for another one. So this one is all about the patience, just waiting for the right time and then just executing that trade. Before we hit the strategy, before I show you that, just go visit my website. There's a very cool previous analysis videos and previous all video content about my analysis on the charts and some strategies and all that kind of cool stuff. And also preferred brokers, especially on Nasdaq. Just go check out my preferred broker. These guys are brilliant, amazing spreads on Nasdaq. So just go check them out on my website on the resource tab. And yep. So let us hit the charts. So this strategy, like I said, is very simple. I trade on the 5 minute time frame. It works best for me on the 5 minute. You can, I'm just showing you on TradingView. It's just nicer to view it on TradingView, but I mean, you can add this, it's just using an indicator, simple indicator, and you can add it on your MetaTrader 4 or 5, depending on what you want to trade, what you are trading on. And basically all it is, let us scroll down. Let's just find it. It is our relative strength index, our RSI. So let me just show you the setup of it, or the settings of this one. So basically you want to go for your inputs. The length of it is basically the length of candles. It's going to be 19. Source is closed. The style, basically where you want your overbought or oversold to be. TradingView gives you a middle band. Just take that out. You can choose your different colors depending on what you want. And then over here, it's basically you're going for 80 and you are going for a 20. So that is it, guys. Just showing you how it works. So basically, like I said to you, it's all about the patience. So as you can see currently, the RSI, the band, the price is in between the two bands of oversold, overbought. So basically, you just wait until price literally breaks that top or bottom line. Touches it, breaks it, doesn't matter. So let me see. This is our first one. 22nd was yesterday. This is why I said it is all about patience. This is for you guys that's trading something else as well. But I mean, let us just take it from the bottom here, so you can see the price breaking this bottom 20 RSI, and you can see it's basically that it broke here. So basically, as soon as it breaks, you enter your trade for buy, and let's assume that you took this trade from here, and you can see price moving up. And what is that? 1,000 pips goes all the way up to almost 1,300 pips just on that simple buy, because the price broke the bottom. If you guys caught the top one, as you can see, price coming up, breaking that area over there. Where's that tool again? So basically, let's assume you did trade the first sell when it broke the first time. Price would have gone 100 or let's say 200 pips against you, but if you held that, price would have jumped down all the way for a nice 2,871 pips. Let's just scroll back. This is just showing you basically that it is definitely working for sure. Over there you can see the price breaking that 80% line, or not 80% line, but the 80 relative strength index. Break it, enter that sell, price goes down depending on where you want to hold it up until, so you can see I'm just moving it across, so you can see price not going up into that zone but eventually falling down, and that is another 760 pip profit on that trade. Let's just scroll. Let's go down here. Again, price coming up. You hit that trade, you hit that sell because it's breaking the top, and you keep it all the way. This is where Nasdaq opens. It's another almost 500 pips. So, I mean, you can just go back, guys. As you can see, it works. It definitely works. The key for this strategy is just to have patience. A lot of guys will say, nah, it doesn't work. It's because you are trading inside the block. Wait until price breaks. If it breaks the top, you sell. If it breaks the bottom, you buy. And meaning breaking the bottom if this RSI line breaks that area like I just showed you. And with that, you can also use it with your trading plan. I mean, you just need a couple of pips a day. This is not every day that it does pan out. So this is just for you to, I don't know what you want to use it for. Like I said, it's a nice strategy. Maybe this is a good one to teach you to have patience in the market, not to come over that FOMO, fear of missing out. You don't need to trade every single trade in the market. There will always be opportunity. And like I said to you, there might be a couple of days that you're not getting that entry on this strategy. But as soon as you get that entry, it is definitely going to go your way. And please, guys, try it out. Let me know what you think. Like I said, it's very much a patient strategy. But I mean, it's something you can work with. If it is just adding to your current trading plan or trading style, if you want something just to scalp, it is all up to you. Just use it and let me know what you think. So that's all from me for this little simple Nasdaq strategy. Guys, hope you're having a wonderful evening. Stay safe and happy trading, guys.